Hey everyone, welcome back in the gluten-free kitchen. My name is Adu and today we're going to cook a recipe that I always wanted to try out as a kid, which is called a Kinder meat slice, but I never got the opportunity because it was full of gluten. And for this recipe, we need the following ingredients. 170 grams of our own gluten-free pastry flour mix. You can check out the recipe right here. 30 grams of cacao or cacao powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 17 grams or 1 second of baking powder, 3 eggs, 2 milliliters of vanilla essence or extract, 100 grams of brown sugar, 50 milliliters of sunflower oil, and 100 milliliters of regular milk or soy milk. First, we're going to measure out the flour. You can find the link to it in the description. Add the baking powder, cacao, and the baking soda, mixing everything together. You can also use cacao powder. I tried using both and the result is similar. And now, in a larger bowl, we're going to break in the eggs. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to beat the eggs with a handheld electric mixer and gradually adding the coconut sugar. You can also use regular sugar and spice things up with some grated nutmeg. Pour in the vanilla essence, the milk and the oil. And now we're going to incorporate the dry ingredients. This recipe is perfect for the holidays or any festive occasion. This is how the mixture is supposed to look like. And now we're going to transfer it into a rectangular baking tin. It was the first time that I'm using this tin and I didn't know that the liquid is going to break out of the cage, but I can recommend that regardless of the tin that you're going to use, cover it with baking paper. And now we're going to bake it for 25 minutes at 170 Celsius. Let me know down in the comment section if you'd like to see more time lapses like this one. Now we're going to chop up pineapple. And a kiwi, a banana, and a pineapple. You need to blend them for about 30 seconds. Pour in 150 milliliters of whipping cream, 90 grams of icing sugar, the cream cheese, and now mix them up. Fold in the blended fruits and mix everything together. You can either stir to combine or use the mixture. This is how the consistency of the cream is supposed to look like. Slice it up horizontally. Cut it precisely in the middle. This is the inside of the cake. Make sure that you don't get too close to the edges. And carefully place it on top of the bottom layer. Gently press it. Slice it up in half and cut off the ends. Then sliced up into pieces. You should get about 12 to 14 pieces in total. Well, I think I used a little bit too much cream. It got a little bit messy, but it was absolutely delicious. I couldn't stop eating before I actually tasted it on camera. But off camera I had a blast with it. It was amazing. Let's give it a taste on camera as well. Just look at this texture. As soon as you taste it for the first time, you feel so many flavors in there. The base of the cake is airy and fluffy and is getting complemented by the cream, which is absolutely amazing. I'm really glad that I finally got to try this cake. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.